this polynomial, chapter number 2. It is one of the important chapter. This chapter concept we have already studied in 9. It is related to that, little bit of that. Now, what is polynomial? The word polynomial itself gives us the meaning. Poly, that is many, and nomial means term. Means polynomial is a chain of term. We can define polynomial as a change of term. Now, what is term? Means after adding lots many of terms, it becomes polynomial. What is a term? The term is an algebraic expression that combine with the coefficients and the variables. The term is an algebraic expression consists of coefficient and term. For example, if suppose we take 2x, we are taking that as 2x. So this 2 is a numeral part, and this x is a variable. So you should know that this numeral will also be known as a coefficient, means a number part, and the x is be known as a variable. Variable can be any of English alphabet from A to Z. It can be any part. So polynomial, now we can say that polynomial means change of term. Another example I can give you: 3x square 3x plus 2. A term is always comprises of a coefficient and a variable. So you can see over here 3x square is a term, 3x is a term, and 2 is also a term. Now you can ask me a question that I told that how 2 is a term. I can give you the description of that thing. This 2 can be written in the form of 2 into x to the power 0. Here you can see its power is 2. Here the power is 1, but we can make the power 0. Anything that having a power of 0, it becomes 1. So we can derive that 2x to the power 0 becomes 2. So it is a polynomial. Now there are classifications of polynomial on the basis of terms and the degree. That you should also know that thing. I am giving them short descriptions that on the basis of term and on the basis of degree, this polynomial has been classified. It has been classified in the form of terms and degree. Now, in terms of terms, first is monomial, second is binomial, and trinomial. Now, what is monomial? Monomial means a polynomial consists of only single term. A polynomial that has only single term is been known as monomial. Single term. Example, we can take it as 2x, 3y, 4z. You can see over here it is a single term, so it becomes monomial. Okay, means mono means single and term. Now binomial means a polynomial that consists two terms. that are having two terms. For example, 2x plus 2, 3y plus 4. Now you can see over here 1, 2, 1, 2. So there are more than two terms. So any one polynomial having two terms are known as binomial. Bio is two terms. Now about the trinomial. What is a trinomial? The polynomial that consists three terms. Three terms polynomial is known as trinomial. Tri itself means three. Tricolor, three color, like that. Triangle, three angles means tri means three. So it can be in the form of 2x square, 2x plus 2, 3y square plus 3y plus 3. So clearly you can see here it is first, second and third term. First, second and third term. So it becomes an trinomial. Trinomial means having three terms. Hope you have understood. Again I am making a revision of this thing. Monomial means having a single term. Binomial having two terms. And trinomial having three terms. These things you have learned in standard 9. But a short revision should be over there. Right? Now, according to the degree part, polynomial has been classified into linear, quadratic and cubic. Now, what is linear? A linear polynomial is having a power or a degree of 1. Any polynomial that has a degree of 1 is being known as linear polynomial. Power will be 1 like 3x plus 2. Here you can see the power is 1. The polynomial that comprises of degree 1 or power 1 is being known as linear. Another is quadratic. Quadratic means a polynomial that having a power of 2. Any polynomial that having a power of 2 can be known as quadratic. Like 3x square, 2x plus 2. Now here we can see that a polynomial having a power of 2 is being known as quadratic polynomial. Now comes about the cubic. What does cubic mean? Itself saying cubic is a polynomial that is having 3 degree, is having a power of 3. The highest degree will be 3. 3x cubed, 3x square, 3x plus 3. Here we can see over here that a polynomial having a power of 3 is being known as cubic. So a short revision. What is a polynomial? Polynomial comprises of change of term. Now what is a term? And term is an algebraic expression comprises of coefficient or numeral and variable. Variable can be of any English alphabet from A to Z. So it is been over here. Now polynomial has been classified on the basis of terms and degree. A polynomial having a single term is been known as monomial. A polynomial having two terms is known as binomial. And a polynomial having three terms is known as trinomial. Now about the degree or the power, we can also say as a power. So a polynomial having one power will be known as linear. A polynomial having two power will be known as quadratic, and a polynomial having three power is known as cubic. But a polynomial having more than three power, that is power of 4, that is be known as biquadratic polynomial. But this is not in your syllabus part. But you should know, a polynomial having a degree of 4 is known as biquadratic. Hope you have understood these things. Now related to this, I am going to explain you about the terms part. Okay, this was in polynomial introductions. Hello students. Before few minutes ago, I have explained you about the polynomials. These algebraic expressions, it is the one type of algebraic expressions having in the basis of term. We have classified polynomial on the basis of term also, that polynomial having one term is known as monomial, polynomial having two terms is known as binomial, and polynomial having three terms is known as trinomial. And in the terms of degree also, on the basis of degree also, power, we have classified the polynomials. On the basis, if a polynomial having a degree 1 is known as linear one, a polynomial having a degree 2 is known as quadratic polynomial, and a polynomial having a degree 3 is known as it's a cubic polynomial. And a polynomial having a degree of 4, which is having a power of 4, can be known as biquadratic polynomial. But right now we are going to study about the monomial, binomial and the trinomial. A question has been given to you that classify the following polynomials as monomial, binomial and trinomial. You have been given a question like this. You can see over here, it is having two terms. One a plus b is having two terms. It can be binomial. Having two terms is known as binomial. Here also you can see it is having two terms. It is again binomial. Now here 1, 2 and 3. How many terms is over here? 3. A polynomial having 3 terms is known as trinomial. Here how many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. Again you can see it is having 3 terms. It's again trinomial. Here how many terms is over here? It is having a single term. 200x is a single term, so it will be monomial because having a single term. How many terms is over here? 2y minus 3y square plus 5x cubed. How many terms? 1, 2 and 3. Since it is having 3 terms, so it is an trinomial. 1a plus b, 2 terms, bio. 2a minus 3b, 2 terms, bio. 1 plus x minus x square, 3 terms, trinomial. 2x minus 3y square plus 7z, 1, 2 and 3 terms, trinomial. 200x is a single term, that is monomial. And 2y minus 3y square plus 5x cubed, 3 terms, trinomial. So this is a way to classify the polynomials as monomial, binomial or trinomial. Now I am going to explain you how to add and separate the binomial terms or monomial terms. Now students, now we are going to discuss about how to do the additions and subtractions of the polynomials. Means polynomials में additions या subtractions related sums को कैसे solve करेंगे? Subtraction sums is over here. I am going to explain you. What we will do, just please see the step carefully and you will get the concept of that part. It is given subtract 4x square y minus 3xy plus 5xy square minus 8x minus 11 from, the number is from 12 minus 8y plus 3x minus 2xy square plus 4xy plus 3x square y. Now what we will do? We will arrange the things in an order way. 3x square y minus 2xy square 4xy 3x minus 8y and minus 12. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, pair the like terms. 4x square y minus 3xy plus 5xy square minus 8x and minus 11. It is a plus sign over here. We have placed over plus. Now, students, this is an sums of subtractions. In subtractions, we will cancel all the bottom sign. Whatever the sign of the bottom is given, we will reverse it. In case of subtractions, we have to do that things. So what is the sign over here? Plus. It will become minus. What is the sign over here? Plus. It will become minus. What is the sign over here? Plus. Sorry, minus. It will become plus. What is the sign over here? Minus. It will become plus. It will not factor. Now over here, minus. It will become plus. Now the new sign is minus. Minus 4x square y plus 3x square y. It will be minus 1 x square y. 4 minus 3 will be 1. Minus 5 and minus 2 will be minus 7 x y square. Just adding the like terms. 3 plus 4 will be 7 xy. 8, don't remember this sign now. This is plus sign. 8 plus 3, it will be 11x. It will be like same because there is no y factor in the bottom part. And now the new sign of 11 is plus. Plus 11 and plus 12 is 23. So this answer we obtain when we subtract the two numbers. Okay. Now in case of addition. Now another question is given. Add square plus n square plus n square plus n square, and 2ln, 2mn and 2nl. If it is been given, then first we will arrange n square, n square, n square, n square. I'm just adding up. Then n square and l square. Then this one is different. 2 ln, 2 mn and 2 nl. The addition sign is over here. I have arranged the things in their form. Now you can clearly see l square plus l square. There is 2l square. It will be 2l square, n square plus n square. If there is nothing, it is 1 over here. 1 plus 1, 2 n square. Same over here. 1 plus 1, 2 n square. And there is nothing that's like terms here, unlike terms. Ln, mn and nl. So we will write down like this: 2 ln, 2 mn and 2 nl. So this is the way of getting the additions. Just arrange the like terms below and add there. It is over in the way 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, and they are carried down. So this is a way of getting out the addition and subtractions of the polynomials. Related to this, I have given some sums for practicing. Please practice it by yourself. Thank you everyone.